Okay, so here we have a simple wheatstone bridge circuit, and there are 4 nodes to note. You have the voltage supply up here, so that's the top node right here. You have this node, and this node. So I'm going to call that node 1 up the upper node 2, node 3, and node 4. And there are 4 resistors. And they're hooked up in this configuration. So we're going to need a voltage supply, 4 resistors, and 4 nodes. Okay, and so I'm going to do this on the ELVIS board. So this is a review on how to make a circuit on an ELVIS board. So the first thing to do is to hook up the supply voltage. I used VPS, the variable supply voltage, for my supply, and that's down here on pin 48 and 49 over here. So that's the plus side of that, and I hook that up to this red power rail over here, and then I hook minus up to the blue rail over here. That's a common thing to do. And then I want to make node 1 the upper node, so I'm going to hook up somewhere on the red here over to any of these nodes. So this over here is a node, so I'm just going to hook up it to that node there. So now that node is node 1 in the picture. And then I'm going to hook up ground to a node down here somewhere. So now that node 60 is the ground node. So 49 up here is the node 1, and 60 is node 4. So I'm going to hook up a resistor between node 1 and node 2. I have to make node 2, so I'm going to make that over here somewhere, 55. That's R1. And then between that node and ground, I'm going to hook another resistor up. That's R2. And then R3 has to go to yet from the node 1 to a third node. I'm going to use this one over here. I'm going to use the same 55, but over here. I'm going to go from here all the way over to 55. And then from node 3, that's node 55 over here of the circuit down to ground. There. So now you see this is pin 1, that's pin 1. That's node 1, and that's node 1 there. This is node 2, and that point right here is node 2. This point right here is node 2. That's node 3, and over here is node 3. And that's ground, and this is ground here. And when you want to measure it, you just hook up your voltmeter to banana 1 and banana A and banana B, and you put 1 lead in banana A, and that's gonna go to node 2. Put that here. And then banana A over here. And then banana B goes over here. And there you have it. And that's how you would make and measure the voltage across a wheatstone bridge.